Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful and trendy ideas. Crochet cake pattern and different crochet cake pattern. I have many cake and crochet different pattern ideas. Different simple crochet pattern for a cake slice and a birthday cake and different style, creating a crochet cake invaluable using yarn and a crochet hook to stitch a cake-like design. You can find various crochet patterns for cakes online to guide you through the process. Crochet cake pattern for a simple crochet cake pattern, you can try this. And what's with yarn in cake colors, brown for chocolate, pink for strawberry, and different ideas. Cake base, start with a magic ring chain 1 and work 6 single crochet stitches into so I hope you like it my video. So guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and see this videos till the end. Mention in the comment section for your feedback and response. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern. So I hope you like it my video and different ideas, different reviews. So guys, take care and I hope you like it my video, and feel free to ask for comment section for your response and your feedback. And here are some ideas related to crochet pattern and amigurumi pattern. So like food pattern like cakes and strawberry, different food pattern and different decoration elements like home decoration and kitchen decoration.